Hey guys, hello, hey, hi, hello, it's Lex. Welcome to another vlog. We back, we're better. May kick my ass, we're not gonna talk about it, but we might talk about it later, I don't know. It's June. Come with me to come pick up all my online orders for today. I know today is the first day of the NBA Finals, and my man is very much a Knicks fan. Okay, so with that being his favorite team, I am planning to make him a new shirt for each game that they play, if that makes sense. So anywho, this is a super duper long intro. Just come along and let's shop. Oh, also I'm on my lunch break, so yeah. Hey, hi, hello, welcome to the vlog. I already said that, but you know how I do. I will see you guys we're headed to Walmart and Michael's, in the post office, and probably back at work. We got a lot to do on this hour lunch break. Let's get it. Hey you guys, let me turn the radio down. I'm actually just listening to Keke Palmer. That's like my favorite little. Hey. How you doing, man? Hello. Oh, sorry, the barcode. Ooh, that was so quick. I love this. This was the perfect timing to come to Walmart, bro. Okay, next you guys, we need to head home to pick up a package so I can take it to the post office to get it delivered. Just sending off an order, so that's super quick, super easy. So let's just run by the house, pick that up, and then I will see you guys back at the post office. And then from the post office, we'll swing by Michael's. Now Michael's, we do have to go inside. I could do like the curbside thing, but I promise you, they don't never come outside when you do the curbside. So it's all good, it's cool, it's whatever. It's literally in and out. Y'all have been with me to Michael's before, so y'all see how the little bins and stuff are set up. So okay guys, they did not have the orange shirts, so I just came to look just to make sure they didn't overlook anything, just in case. I mean, it happens, but they don't have it, so I guess he's just getting the blue shirt tonight. Okay guys, so like I was saying earlier, they did not have the orange. I just want to make sure that they didn't overlook anything, but they just don't have orange, so I'm gonna head back to work. Like honestly, I need to see how much time I have left. I clocked out at 1:55, so I need to be back by 2:55. It is now what, 2:15. So I mean, I technically have some time, so I could chill at the house for a little bit before actually going back out, but I'd rather be closer back to work than to not be closer back to work, if that makes any sense. So this is the most I'll be talking to y'all. So anyways, okay guys, clearly I've made it back to the house, so let me give y'all a haul really quick. Okay you guys, so clearly I picked up my Walmart order. If I never knew my actual name, hey, there it is, whatever, whoop. Okay you guys, sorry for the angle, but it is what it is. So real quick, because y'all know I'm on my lunch break, and this is how we're just about to get these videos in. Okay, so from Walmart, y'all saw the bag earlier. I picked up some orange iron-on vinyl for the Knicks. Again, this is for the Knicks, so the New York Knicks basketball team, NBA. So I think it looks better this way because y'all can get all the light from that way. So that's the orange. And I also picked up not one but 2 rolls of white iron-on vinyl just for the outline. Just I have an idea of how I want to do the logos and stuff like that, so stay tuned, work with me here. And then obviously the blue, so the Knicks blue and orange, that looks great. And then the white for the outline on all the things. So yeah, that is the haul you guys. Short, cute, and sweet. Shout out to Walmart if they ever see this video. Let's collab. Okay guys, I literally just, oh y'all are upside down, my bad. I literally just packed up this order. It's not even like business related, it's just an order that my son is trying to get sent out. So let's go to the post office and send it out. Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day. Yeah, so I did not actually make it to the post office. Like, I really forgot. I was so excited to vlog with you guys and bring y'all along on my quick and speedy lunch break. But yeah, so it's the next day. So we're gonna try this again, and we're gonna actually try a different post office on lunch again, obviously. Yeah, that's what's going on so far. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today is Thursday. It's 1:24 p.m. and yeah, it's June what, 4th? Yeah. Yeah, work is, it's going. It's not horrible. I just don't want to be there. But we made it. God bless us to see another day. So I'm thankful, I'm happy, and I rejoice, and I will be glad in it. So anyways, I will show y'all what we do later if we go to the post office. Well, we have to go to the post office, but yeah, all the good things. I'll see you guys back at the house. Bye. Hey y'all, so I am back. I'm back at the house. I literally just went to Walmart to pick up my order. This is the printable vinyl, printable HTV, printable iron-on vinyl, whatever you want to call it. This is what I should have used on the blue shirts, but I wasn't thinking, and plus I've never had to do or use the dark fabric transfer paper before. So yeah, let's figure this out. But yeah, it's the next day. So today's Friday, June 5th. It's 2:23. I'm on my lunch per usual, and yeah, you guys, I will let you guys know how it turns out later. I probably won't honestly record. I've already done this shirt, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, just stay tuned for that after product, because I'm kind of tired of filming for this vlog when it should have just been a
no sleep, bus, club, another club, plane, next place.
You know what I'm saying? So anywho's, we will check back later tonight on how this shirt came out. And so, or sometimes I drive, but